Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to play Roblox in stretched resolution. So first of all, you want to go ahead and go to your settings. So you can go ahead on the search bar and just write down resolution. And here are your system settings. Once you will open it up, you want to choose your monitor. So I'm just going to choose the second one. And you want to choose display resolution and you want to choose the stretched one. So for today, I'm going to choose 1280 960, just like so. Now you will have your stretched resolution already, and if you see a black bars right there in the corners, you want to go ahead, right click on it, press show more options, and video control panel. This is of course if you're using NVIDIA. Then you're gonna go to display and adjust desktop size and position, and you're gonna be here and you want to choose full screen. Just make sure to do that. Now if you already done that, and then you can go ahead to Roblox and play in stretched resolution. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.